Hi, my name is Yuriy Kolesnichenko. I'm a sonologist from Moscow, Russia, and this is lecture about abdomen sonography. We will talk about liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. Measurements of liver dimensions obtained in sagittal views. Most of authors recommend to measure length of liver or height or craniocaudal dimension. But sometimes, especially in pediatrics, we measure anteroposterior diameter. Also, some authors recommend to measure oblique diameters. Also, we measure portal vein. In gallbladder, we measure the length and transverse dimension. Sometimes we measure free dimension of gallbladder to calculate his volume. We measure pancreas in transverse view and obtain thickness of pancreas head, body and tail. And that's all. Thanks for your attention.